Hi everybody, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy.
And this is what's happening for the week of April 29th at the Fitchburg Singers Center. Amy, what in the heck is going on? Tell everybody.
Well, May is Older Americans Month. And yep, so save the date on May 22nd for our 90-plus-year-olds. And there's going to be a party with the Fitchburg Singers, and you need to sign up for lunch. So anybody can come, but if you're over 90, we want you here. It'll be great.
It's going to be so fun.
How many are there on our list? Like 130.
We have 130 Fitchburgers who are 90 and over.
I don't know everybody, people. So if we don't know you, get here.
Get your butt over here.
Yeah. And then stay tuned. David is putting together a walking group survey in the May newsletter. The more feedback you can offer, the better chance you'll have of getting some programs put into place, right?
Yeah.
And get your bike ready for summer. The first ride with Joe is Wednesday, May 1st. So you don't want to miss that. Get your bike tuned up.
Hey, something exciting is coming here to the Senior Center. It's the storytelling workshop with MOTH storytelling champion Alice Pauser.
I think that's going to be great.
This sounds like something that fits your personality. Show up on May 8th for an introductory, and then again on the 15th. Both start times are 1, and those are for paid sessions. Listen, if you love to tell stories, I love to tell stories. I've told stories at this kind of event before. It is so much fun.
Sounds like she's telling a story right now.
I'm not. I can send you all the link, but it's kind of naughty. So. But if you are interested in storytelling, come and check it out. The Lunch and Learn on May 1st is all about affordable dental. Don't miss it.
Awesome.
Get ready. Outdoor exercise with Melissa is coming back this summer. Tuesdays starting in May at 10:30 at Kids Crossing Shelter in McKee Park.
Well, all you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually pretty hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper,
even a smile,
a hug, and even a great patio to come and chill out at.
We'll see you here.
Right here.